Messi. Round two as if they weren't there, round the third. Well, he's very in the pitch in the air. He's worth every penny. Whatever they paid to get in tonight. The entertainer supreme.
والانطلاقه من ميسي من الوسط. هاي ميسي واصل ميسي. اللاعبان سقط وهو لا ميسي واصل هايله. هاي يا ميسي هاي.
Messi uses the referee to shake off the defender.
He's very quick, with a technique that's out of this world. I think these are the qualities that have made the whole world fall in love with him.
You know, the guys he's playing against now are all extremely athletic. They can all run like the wind. All the defenders today generally can run like the wind. He's making them look slow. He's making them look ponderous. He wrong foots them. He makes them look stupid at times.
Here again.
I'm kind of loving that little show.
Messi trying to first challenge it.
Messi won't escape Miranda or Willie. Oh, yes, he will.
What was that? Again! Sir Isaac Newton from up above looks down and says about that gravity thing, I was wrong. Messi was right. He teases gravity. This balance is astonishing. His feet are taken. Applies the brakes, gets on the other side of the defender. It's amazing.
Messi didn't seem to do anything there but left and door, puzzled in the extreme.
Hypnotised with it. Messi. Playing a game of tag. Finding Suarez.
This is what I love. One-on-one, bye. Change of direction, see you later.
He does things that nobody has ever seen before. He does things that nobody understands how he produces them. He does them consistently. Just when you think you've worked out his genius, he'll then do something else completely different.
But what impresses me is how he dribbles the ball, so close to his feet, in a way that the ball never seems to leave his feet, and never gives the defenders a chance to take the ball away from him.
His team gets in on the one with the ball, and once he's on the one with the ball, he's unstoppable. He's the only player who can change direction at such a pace and be a threat.
Make attack, the best form of defence. But Messi skips away. Vidic. Alves again. Brilliant from Messi.
Messi then takes the wall pass and again absolutely brilliant. That goal was a work of art of the sculptor one Lionel Messi.
Lovely play again from Barcelona this time. Alves and Messi combining.
Alves, Iniesta pushing forward, uses it, back for Messi, into the box, and he misses wide left.
Absolutely hallucinogenic football from Barcelona, in particular Messi. Mesmerising, again, wonderful tiki-taka at its best. This time it is penetrative. It's beautiful football, linking up all of the dots, and then the final pass into the corner isn't found. Messi tiptoes through the tulips, but look at this goalkeeper again. Don't underestimate it. Diego Alves narrows the angle and forces Messi wide with that shot. It would have been one of the most beautiful Barcelona goals that we've seen for a long time.
Oh, great passing. Messi. Side netting only. Mesmeric stuff.
Oh, Messi finds the gap where there wasn't one. Oh, it comes back off the post. A moment of sheer delight from the little fella.
Messi just dances away from
Demichelis' challenge, runs past two more, tucks it into the net.
Nothing less than the equivalent of a footballing bird of paradise is this man that defies the description, man.
Messi. Oh, brilliant. Well, that perhaps is the touch of the season. It was sensational.
That's exactly what I mean. He's barely been tried tonight. That is absolutely brilliant.
Messi, it's glorious. Just a gasp from the crowd as Messi made that initial move.
Alves bears on too. Clever little ball over the top. Lionel Messi. There it is.
Well, Messi's there. He's passed one again. Oh. He dances with the defender. Oh. He takes them all on.
I thought it was like a piece of string. The ball tied to his foot. He's just incredible.
This is on to Messi. Messi to Suarez. Sensational Barcelona goal. There are not too many people that could score that goal and not too many people that could assist in that goal. But when you get Suarez and Messi in this kind of mood, they create magic.
Messi drives, left two open, Messi.
Magic!
Pedro, goal! Goal!
Cut apart from the genius of Messi again. He draws the defence to him like a magnet. Lionel Messi dances with defenders through the legs to Keita for the magical Messi moments.
Threaded through, Abidal on, tucks it home, and Barcelona's in front.
Messi. Again, the touch and he draws the challenge and he's got between two. It's Messi. Oh, that is absolutely brilliant. The world's best player shows us just what he's about to get.
Actually, an impossibility that there's anything wrong with him. This is just, since he appeared, the game has totally changed. The Barcelona performance has stepped up a notch. The players are desperate to give him the ball whenever he can, wherever he can. Doesn't matter how many players he's marked by. 3 players, weaves in and out between 1, 2, 3 players. There's nothing on here. This is not a chance.
Messi against 2, Messi against 3, Messi against 4, against 5, against 6. Pass off Henry. Henry to the left foot. Offside.
He's watching Messi, like all of us. I don't blame him for that.
Destroyed by the defences with this. Messi, 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 Messi! Oh no! How did he not score? That would have been the great goal of the season.
Well, there's 3 of them right. He's still going. Look at this, Cameron. It's a brilliant run from Messi. Did he go all the way? How do you stop him? And you think 3 of them around him, he's not going to get past the ball. He does. Then he takes on the 4th, comes inside and scores it at the near post. He's just incredible. I don't think we've ever seen or ever will see anything like Lionel Messi again.
Away he goes. Messi takes some more comers. Messi keeps going. He's the only way to stop him. And the referee felt that had been a bad foul.
Messi. It's just unbelievable, Kevin. Well, there's the word.
Messi starts his move. Finds his feet again. Oh, it's like watching a TV commercial, this. The Hetafe players are just the extras. Does it the Messi way, the magic way, the witching way. Takes it into control, then he's got 5 defenders to beat. He emasculates them, leaves them in tatters, runs square, and says to his teammates, I see you, I really don't need you. Magic from the magic man, the artful dodger, driving past, look at them, they corral him like a set of alligators, and he weaves his way out.